So hello everyone. Today we start with another topics called core security concepts. We have just going to appropriate user. This is recipient. Let's talk about it. Okay, so core security concept. The answer is hello and welcome to the City Stock Exchange. Thank you for answering the call. Thank you. Thank you for having me. What can I help with you today? We have a growing supporting engineer team, and we need to give all the members to ensure same access permission. Can AWS help you to manage it? Yes, Amazon Identity and Access Management, also called IAM, is preferred for this. You can create groups with specific permission and then add user to those groups. You can efficiently manage access to the AWS resource as your team grows. Do I have do I have to set up all the different permission for every AWS services? My support engineer only need to view Amazon EC2 and Amazon RDS resource. No, our AWS provider ready to use IAM. What is mean IAM? Identity access management. Identity and access management. So no, AWS provides ready to use identity and access management managed policy. You have to existing policy that give you view only access Amazon EC2 and Amazon RDS. Remote desktop service. Great. And how did you want to choose the preferred policies? Can I create my own? Yes. You can create this custom policy and apply it to your resources. AWS also have tools that can you use specify. That give us the flexibility. Now, what about creating users? My support engineer need to access both the AWS Management Console and developer tools, and I want to add them to support engineer team when I create their accounts. When you're creating users, you can give them access to the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, command line interface, and developer tools. You can also add them directly to the group where you were to set up permission these. Thanks, sound promising. Can you show us how to get started with creating user and group for our support engineers team? Okay, let's accept it. Create identity and access management. Create identity and access management. Okay, solution center provided. Let's begin. There is a structure. The solution demonstrate AWS identity and access management, also called IAM. Identity and access management. User group creation to manage permission for multiple users within an organization. Let's check. An identity and access management user group named support engineer service as container for identity and access management user, enabling centralized permission management through group inheritance. A read-only access policy for Amazon EC2 is attached to the support engineer group. Limited group member is to read only. Operations such as viewing instances information. A new identity access management user support engineer 1 is create and add the support engineer group, automatically receiving the group read only EC2 permissions. Then user successfully retrieve EC2 instances information through a read operation. Instance terminated. Instance terminate attempt result in permission error. The policy retries action to read-only operations. Follows the AWS default deny permission principle. The support engineer groups lack Amazon RDS read access without explicitly permission it. Adding RDS read-only policy to the group allows support engineer to view Amazon RDS information. And that's it. Let's check practice. They have concept in create participant lab. You will create an identity and access management group and users. Attach an AWS management policy to the group of users. Okay, so practice lab, create a okay, start show steps. So we first need to start the access. The lab we will start with 30 minutes. 30 seconds. So review the practice lab to start. We create the identity and access management. Go to user group, create group, click set a support engineer and create the user group and then create user. Custom password we set. They take 1 hour at least. Okay, let's start with this. First create identity and access management. DynamoDB API gateway, there is lots of stuff. Okay, not very. DynamoDB and API gateway they have. Select identity and access management. Just select it, create a group. Okay. Go to user groups, create groups. Go to user groups, create a group. The group name called support engineers. Support engineers. There are a lot of flexibilities, optional 1117 identities. Then go to Amazon EC2 read only access. Search here Amazon EC2 read only access. Chooses create user group. Just select it and create user group. Okay, support engineers they have created, CC2 is created. Now we need to use users and create user. Now we go to users, create user. We said provide username, something like support engineer 1. Support engineer 1. Okay. Provide access to AWS management console. Take a custom password. Support engineer 1 dash 123. So password support engineer 123 1 dash 123. Okay. And user must create a new password as an login. We don't need to create a new user. We just remove the node changes and we'll check the next. And permission option, add a group. In permission option, we just add a group. And group name have support engineer, just select it. And go to next. And inside have some tags, value. Add new tag. The tag name is some job title. Support group. Support engineer. Engineers. Okay. Then we can just create it. A user is created. Not authorized to perform. ICM create user on resource. User was not created. They have some problem inside. Okay, so user creation is not allowed in this section. Grant the support engineer group to read-only access. Amazon RDS. Okay. Just add into the support engineer to read-only access to Amazon DB, Amazon RDS. Okay, so there is some